My name is Vivian Seri, originally from the Ivory Coast, West Africa. I was gifted with like a Bugs Bunny teeth, you know. And when I was a kid, it was fun. But you know, as you grow, there were some kind of decays on my tooth, and you know, and with age and everything. It was through a friend who came to Dantakai a few months ago. They had a very good experience with Dantakai. That's the place to be. We've done our research, we've checked reviews, and you know, these are the guys that you need to trust, you know, that will give you like the level of service, of the level of treatment that we have in Canada, you know, to compare. My contact with Dentacare, when I sent the first message to have a reply and have an appointment, the whole process happened within 3 hours. You know, in 3 hours I got a feedback and an appointment right away for the following day. Well, cost. Nah, it's very simple. Whatever costs. Over there, you need to maybe mortgage your house. I mean, it's so expensive that, you know. My first impression was very warm. I mean, they're very welcoming, personal, very sleek. That's the first word that comes to mind is sleek. White floor. I don't know if that was done in purpose, but you know, it reminds you that you are going to a very healthy and clean place. For me, the risk I'm a chicken. Let's put it that way. You know, I don't like pain. I'm not shy to say it. It was like my biggest fear when I got here, and even regardless whether it's here or anywhere else, that was my biggest fear. But I must say that the doctor that took care of me, I mean, she got angel fingers. So, and she has like a very positive energy. We see other people going to clinics. Clinic comes with like some kind of van with the big name. I mean, Dantakai protect your discretion. You know, they don't scream out loud what you are here for. You know, even though people know that, you know, this is a very highly demanded touristic, you know, a medical touristic city, but they don't have to scream it out loud. They protect your discretion. Honestly, great experience. I mean, the full experience from your hotel all the way to the clinic. I mean, you are treated like the care. I wouldn't say a star because, you know, I don't know what a star feels like, but they treat you like they care. And for me, that was very touching. Someone opening doors for you, you know, a little attention that, you know, you appreciate. Very kind and very human-sized kind of service. They don't make you feel like it's all about business. They make you feel like they are taking care of you. And that makes a whole difference. First place, I'm someone very confident, but I think my confidence will just increase, you know. I'm sure that I'll be healthier, you know. Thank you, Dantakai, for my beautiful smile.